Small financial banks go big on deposit rates. Mumbai, more than half a dozen small financial banks FSBs have raised their fixed deposit rates to more than 8% for 2 years of tenure as they scramble with the gains such as State Bank of India, HDFC Bank to garner funds from ordinary savers in a maker while alternative investment options have multiplied over the past couple of years. SFBs are offering 100 to 125 basic points higher on deposits than what they offered a year ago. The returns are also about 120 basic points more than what the big banks such as SBI, HDFC, bank officers. A basic point is 0.01 percentage point. SFBs and Suryodaya SFBs are offering 8.5% interest on 2-3 years tenure while SFBs is offering 8.5 on a tenure of 2 years to less than 3 years. Unity SFBs is offering 9% on a tenure of 1001 days. By contrast, SFBs is the highest rate in 7.25% for 444 days, while HDFC Bank's highest rate is 7.4%. These banks offer the additional 50 BPS for senior citizens. Deposits are still lagging on a intermediate basis and that is cause of a concern. Therefore, since July, the fight has intensified among banks to raise deposit rates, says Kanika, Chief Economic Advisor, Union Bank of India, with deposits lagging borrowing like infrastructure bonds have sudden pickup. India's financial market is squeezed as the demand for and availability of funds are moving in opposite direction. This is due to the Reserve Bank of India RBI tight monitor stance where it wants to keep the new money under a light, ensure inflation falls to the legal mandate 4% an economics said.